All right, so now that you've decided on how you want to start your diary entry, you're going to start writing your first draft. I want to show you two resources that I use to write my draft. One resource was the planning page that I made that I filled out yesterday. So here's my planning page. I know that I wanted to start with the hare bragging to the tortoise about how fast he is. So when I started writing my diary entry, I included that here. I said, as I was walking, I saw Mr. Tortoise walking so slowly. I mean, I could walk faster than him on my slowest day. Hey, Mr. Tortoise, how are you so slow? So see how I turned my note of what I wanted to write about into what I actually wrote. Then I remember I said I wanted to show how the tortoise didn't really care and he just wanted to challenge the hare. So I put the tortoise saying, well, Mr. Hare, a wise woman once said, it's not how fast you go, but your effort. And then I knew I wanted to have the hare agree, and so I put that in my story. So as I'm going through each part of my planning page, I'm typing it or writing it into my actual diary. So that's one resource, is the planning page. The second resource you can use to help you is the Transition Words Bank. Transition Words Word Bank. Whoa, that's complicated. That can be found in the tracker. It's linked there. And the way you use it is you can start your story with these words, the words in green. For example, today was a crazy day. I was beat by a tortoise in a race. First, I was walking home and I saw this slow tortoise. After you use these beginning words, then stick to the middle words for the majority of your story. Then I started bragging about how much faster I am than him. And then at the end of your story, you can use these words. So use this word bank to help you move from event to event so that your story is in chronological order. All right. Your job today is to use your planning page and the Transition Words Word Bank to write your story. And you're going to need three things. You're going to need the actual story, the tortoise and the hare, your planning page, and the resources, okay? You can use my model, you can use the different types of hooks that we went over in the lesson, and the Transition Words Word Bank. If you're typing this, make sure you share it with me because I would love to see this and give you feedback. And if you're not typing it, make sure that you keep it in a notebook or folder and I will look at it when we get back to school. Spend no more than 25 to 30 minutes on this. If it's taking you too long and you're not done writing your diary entry, it's okay. Put it aside for today and keep working on it tomorrow. It's totally okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.